Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyoti Rolla and today I am going to do a traditional makeup look for Onam, and this is a very simple and a quick makeup look. Not a quick, there is a small detail. If you want, you can work on a little bit longer and enhance it, or you can do a little quick version of missing out some of the full coverage product and still you have the best result. So I want to start up with tying my hairs up. Like, I'm going to clip this because my baby hair is a little bit too much. So okay, to start with the makeup, I am going to use this M.A.C Stove cream and just going to apply over my face to just to get a little dual skin tone, like shiny and all. I'm going to use a primer from Colorbar. This is my favorite one, Flawless Finish Primer, and it works so well for me. I'm going to take a little bit of that because if you want, you can mix this with the Strobe cream and then apply, but I like to apply individuals because then I can work around say where I want to work more. So I'm going to use this pencil for my eyebrows. This is from Maybelline. And I am going to use this 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. This is really one of my favorite. I use it all the time. Just a little bit to give a brush out eyebrow thing. Once this is done, I am going to take this eyebrow palette from Manish Malhotra My Glam. These are the color shades, like, I don't know, are you able to see the color shades? Yeah. So to start with, I am going to take this brown tone on a fluffy brush. I'm going to apply all over my eyelid. Just like simple, nothing, just apply. So I took this color shade and apply all over the eye thing. And I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to put in my first half, like, just on the first half. And once this is done, I am going to take this liner. This is a sketch kind of liner from SEPHORA. This is very like tiny pointy thing, and I am going to make a wing. My eyeliner is done. I am going to use this Cruella collection from M.A.C. It has the black and the white color. I'm going to use the black one and put in my inner corner. Color corrector from Stila. The shade I am taking is orange, and I am going to use this flat brush. And then I am going to take this concealer from L'Oreal. The shade name is Golden Beige, and just going to put here. I'm going to use this beauty blender. It's very soft. I got it from one of our local store. I don't know any name of this product. And I'm just going to work slowly on my under eye. once this concealer is there, I am going to take this Makeup Forever. This is my favorite foundation. The shade name is Y345, and I am going to use my beauty blender to blend this. Like, I'm going to like go around my face. It's a very good thick concealer foundation. Once my foundation is done, I'm going to use this concealer and then I will use this bronzer. So let's do quick. So a little bit here. Happy. That's it. And then I am going to use my favorite brush from Wet n Wild, P50, and going to blend this. Once this is done, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution, I'm taking this Maybelline New York London Instant Age Rewind Concealer, just a little bit because my eye is not, it's a festive look, my eyes are not giving me a complete better look yet. I'm going to take this beauty blender which I use for my concealer first. I'm just going to use the same one so that I can get into the area where I required most. To set this concealer, I am going to use Miss Clara. This is my favorite banana powder. I am using from very long time. And I'm just going to take a little bit and put under my eye. Oh, it went over my wing. And going to like keep it for some minutes. Till that I'll put this bronzer. This bronzer is from L'Oreal. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful warm brown tone. And I am going to take a little brush for this. Where are the brush which works more for my... Okay, I'm going to take same concealer brush and going to warm my face to give a little bit structure. And now I'm going to take this brush, remove this, and I am going to use the same brush to mix a little bit of my bronzer. Once this is done, let's do the blush. This is a rose blush from Lakme. It's one of my favorite dual blush. I am just going to apply on my little bit here. Now I'm going to use a mascara. I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm just going to apply. Just quickly apply the lashes and come back. I just applied my lashes. Now I'm taking this brown tone from the same palette. I'm going to apply in my... I just put the lip balm. I was missing lip balm and I felt so bad. And I'm applying this shade under my eye just to give a little depth. Oh, my lash came off. 1 second. Use this small fan brush because I don't want too much on my face for a highlighter, and I am going to use this highlighter from Too Faced. The shade is Fancy Pink Diamond. This looks so good. And I'm just applying in this area. So I am going to use this Colourpop lip liner. It's in a brown tone and I'm just going to line. Once I apply this lip liner all over my lip, I am taking this Colorpop lipstick. A very nice neutral brown lipstick. To finish with this makeup look, I am using this Makeup Forever Professional Mist and Fix, and I am just going to spray all over my face. I am making this small bun. Can you guys see? Just a small round, and going to rubber band those things nice and tight, and just going to keep this back side, the messy bun, and I am going to put little bit flowers in that. So to put the flower in my hair, I am going to use the U-pin and just going to put this in like this. So my hair is done. I am going to put some earrings now. If you want, you can take some pieces out for the aesthetic look, like some little pieces. I like this one. And for the earrings, oops, everything is popping. So for the earrings, I am taking this one. These are my favorite authentic earrings. So this is my jhumkas. This is one of my favorite, and that's my yellow thing. Let me wear sari. For the bangles, I am going to wear these ones. These are my super favorite bangles. I am going to wear these too, and I'll put my sari and come back. This is my final makeup look, and I am going to show you my sari in some time. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys really liked it.